On today's episode, we're going to be looking at filling, priming, and rubbing down the other side. And don't these wheels look so much better? Hello and welcome to Retro Cars Reborn. I'm Lee, and this is my 1984 Ford Capri 2-litre laser. Finally got around to putting one of the dead nice alley cat wheels on, and we're going to get on with masking, sanding, priming, bit of filler on the other side. So let's do it. This is the opposite side, and I wonder what this is going to what this is going to reveal. Very nice indeed. So let's sand all this paint off and let's find out what's underneath. This is what I've discovered so far. Again, 2 years ago I put a panel in here. You can literally just see it. Must have had some done here because that's some really old filler there. And they went all the way around the arch for some reason. And we've got some nice rusty spots down here. But yeah, not too bad. Let's move on to the sill now. Well, I'm very happy with what I've discovered. There is a lot less. A lot less rust on this side than I thought there'd be. The sill pretty much little tiny bits across the bottom, but next to nothing compared to the other side. So let's get this cleaned up a little bit more, and then we shall move into slapping some bit of filler on there. So I didn't have to use as much filler really anywhere as I thought I would have done. A little bit in here, smooth that out, a bit there to smooth that out, a bit to fill that bit at the bottom, look. But not a lot at all. So now what I'll do is I'll give this a nice clean. Just look at this. Can't have any of this going in the primer at all. Give this a nice clean. Using some white spirits to clean it all down. Some thinners. Just in a spray bottle. Spray it all over the panel. Get an old t-shirt. Not going to leave any marks or anything behind. Give it a nice clean, and then we'll be able to get ready to mask all this side off too. Yeah, it's just nice to know that it's all solid metal. And again, look, it's amazing what some thinners and a rag can do. I mean, this paint on this rear quarter is not too bad to say that this is not too bad a picture quality, that. To say that it's full of bits like this. Nice scratch all the way along here. All these little bits that I've got to try and fettle. Yeah, there's little bits that need repairing. But yeah, I don't want to have to completely respray this entire quarter. So I'm going to try and blend it as best as possible. Right, let's get on with the masking. Oh, I definitely think I upped the masking skills on this one. This little bad boy number. Not too bad. But yeah, let's get some primer on this beast now. should definitely always wear a mask while doing that, but I seem to have misplaced mine. And we'll come back in 10 minutes and we'll put another coat on. So we've got the sill fully cleaned and masked off, there you can see. So now all that's left is to get some primer on this biatch. Remembered the mask that time at least. And once again, pretty happy with how it's turned out. Does look pretty good. And as always, 10 times better than when I first started. So yeah, well happy with that. So give us a like, subscribe, leave some comments. I'll try and comment on everybody. Give me a little bit of feedback. And I shall see you in the next episode of Retro Cars Reborn.